Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 980, and today we are going to check if this smartphone got fingerprint sensor. So take a look. There we got the display. There's no any icon of the fingerprint. On the edges we don't have fingerprint sensor linked with power key, and on the back we only have the camera bumper and the Redmi logo. So unfortunately right here we don't have fingerprint sensor, and of course I'm going to show you on the settings. So when we go for the passwords and the security, we can find face unlock, but unfortunately we cannot find fingerprint sensor. There is no this option here, the smartphone. So if you find any fake video, you can be sure that there is no way to use fingerprint sensor because there is no sensor here. You can use face recognition. Take a look. As you can see, face unlock works, but fingerprint sensor is not here. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.